A lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes, typically. While we're still in the seller's market, we're at a 2-month supply of inventory here in Allen County, which is 25% more than it was a year ago, but still far short of the 4 to 6 month supply required for us to be, let's call it a balanced market. The truth is that there aren't as many buyers as they were during the peak just a couple years ago. So what's the good news? Well, buyers who are still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. But due to the higher interest rates and the increased home prices, your property needs to be compelling for it to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things you can do to get your home in the optimal position before selling. Number 1, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are really going to be worth it. You should expect your agent to be able to provide a lot of valuable insight here, and not every fix is worth your hard-earned money. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you the highest return on your investment. Also, it might be worth it for you to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way, you can find out exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before it hits the open market. This usually attracts stronger offers and more motivated buyers, and we typically recommend this to our clients here at Anthony Realtors. Number 2, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of these 2 categories. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and they won't be a sticking point in negotiations. They are things like repairing a closer on your storm door or a screen, getting your carpet stretched, even very small things like fixing a leaky faucet, patching up holes in the walls, painting, those types of things. Things that make your home more appealing to buyers. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want the best offers from buyers. So these are things like replacing your roof or HVAC. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each. So work with your realtor to find that perfect balance of what the market requires and what you're able to commit to financially and time-wise. Number 3, decide if you want to sell as is. Sometimes selling as is might make more sense if the repairs are too costly or time-consuming. Listing your home as is means you're upfront with buyers that they should expect to make some repairs. So this approach might attract some investors or buyers looking for a fixer-upper. So be aware of that. Typically, if somebody's buying a house as is, they're going to want to pay less than somebody who has the option to get a home inspection done. I almost always recommend sellers do repairs before listing, and it's more important in this market than it's been in a long time. So if you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or you want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give us a call or send us an email, and we'd love to hear from you.